Hello, students. Welcome to an exciting math lesson. Today, we'll embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of integers using the notion of sets and Venn diagrams. Get ready to become integer explorers. Let's dive into this thrilling adventure together. Today, we'll delve into the world of integers, a unique set of numbers that include positive, negative, and zero values. We'll use the notion of sets and Venn diagram to grasp the concept of integers better. Let's unlock the magic of integers. Let's start with some intriguing examples to understand integers. If we have a set of integers, say all negative numbers including 0 and all positive numbers, and we highlight the positive integers in one circle and the negative integers in another, what would that look like? That's right, it's a Venn diagram. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of integers and the sets. Imagine we have a set of numbers 2, -5, 0, 8, and -3. Which of these numbers are integers? To identify integers, we'll look for whole numbers and their negatives including 0. So, the integers in the set 2, -5, 0, 8, and -3 are 2, -5, 0, 8, and -3. You're doing great. Fantastic progress, integer explorers. It's quiz time. Here's the question. Which of the following numbers are integers? A. 5.5, B. -9, C. 1 half. Think about it, and I'll reveal the correct answer soon. Time's up. The correct answer is B, -9. You're mastering these integers like a pro. Let's explore some operations with integers. What happens when we add a positive integer to a negative integer? When we add a positive integer to a negative integer, we subtract their absolute values and keep the sign of the larger number. For example, -5 plus 3 is equal to -2. The negative integer's absolute value is 5, and we subtract the positive integer's value of 3, so the result is -2. Congratulations, integer explorers! You've unlocked the magic of integers using sets and Venn diagrams. Now, you can confidently identify integers and perform operations with ease. But before we wrap up, let's tackle the final quiz question. Ready for the last challenge? Here's the question. Which of the following sets contains only integers? A. The set of elements 3.5, -2, 0, and -1 half. B. The set of elements 4, 7, and 8. Or C. The set of elements 9 over 2, -3, and -4. What is your answer? Think it through and I'll reveal the correct choice. Time's up. The correct answer is letter B, the set of elements 4, 7, and 8. Incredible job, students! Congratulations, everyone! You've reached the end of our integer exploration. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring and unraveling the wonders of mathematics.